Hi guys, this is Bart Walczak from creativeimpatience.com. Today I want to talk about a very important preference setting that was added in Premiere 8.1 or the October 2014 release. You can find it buried in very deep in the preferences media, and it's this one, right? Clip markers to XMP. This preference allows you to choose the mode in which Premiere will work. I've been writing a lot in the past about how Premiere handles the metadata, and that essentially it's pretty hard to back up the projects and exchange the projects if you are using multiple set of media. Like, for example, you're sending the project to a friend that's over the pond or somewhere else that he or she has their own set of media, and they are not using your set of media. So the whole thing comes down to where Premiere stores clip markers. Up until now, it was default mode when this setting was not present. Clips were stored within the files themselves. So if I created a marker here, then if I had the same clip open in another project, let's open the project where I have the same clip. Here you can see that the marker is present, and if I remove this marker and now I open the former project, then you will see then the marker has disappeared. It's nice for large collaborative workflows, and also if you are using Prelude to log, it's very useful. But if you only want to exchange the project files, it might be a problem, because if let's say I create a marker here, okay, and let's say that I send this project to my friend over the ocean, and he's going to open this project and he's going to be looking for the media, but he has his own media and he's going to link to his own media file. Let's say that this is the file that my friend has, so let me relink to that. And as you can see, the marker has disappeared because the marker was associated and written only in the media file that I was having. So finally, Adobe has added this preference that if you turn it off, the clip markers are going to be written in the project file. So now if I create a clip marker here, and let's say clip marker here, and I save this project, and let's say that I send it to my friend, and then he relinks to another piece of footage. As you can see, the markers stay in place, and this is great. This is great for exchanging the projects, and if you're working not on a single set of media, it's also great for backup, because you can back up your project and you will know that all the markers will be stored. And also it is great for the online-offline workflow. So that when you relink the files from proxies to full resolution files, your clip markers will also stay the same. So thank you, Adobe. This is great to have this setting. I only wish that instead of it being application specific, it was project specific, like this new setting here. Because sometimes you are working on global projects, sometimes you are working on projects which are using only a single set of media. So perhaps it would be wiser to move this preference setting to the project setting, not as a preference. But apart from that, it solves the issue that Premiere had, and now it allows Premiere to work both in collaborative mode, and it also allows us to back up our projects safely. I hope I explained it well enough. If you still have any questions, go to creativeimpatience.com, write a comment, and I will try my best to answer your questions. Thank you, and enjoy using Premiere.